So I came across these phones in my pile of phones, and this is an LG phone. This is LG SU760, and the other one is broken, the same phone. The camera is also broken. So it had uh, a 3D camera as well, that you could see a 3D image, maybe a 3D video as well. So it had these ports. This is a micro USB port, and this is a micro HDMI port. You could connect, basically, like, this is in display port. So this is like, it would output a video signal. So you could connect a micro HDMI to HDMI cable to connect it to external display and see the content on the display. So yeah.